Hey everyone, welcome to Figma Zero to 1. I'm Pranjal, founder of Your Brandmate and your companion in learning Figma. As said, from 0 to 1. Well, this course is freshly brewed by Your Brandmate and sponsored by Frappe to do so. Figma Zero to 1 is a series of videos that is created with the only purpose is to ensure that it gives kickstart to the people who wants to get into design, and no matter who they are. It could be aspiring designer, it could be a developer, it could be a marketer who wants to learn design so that they can bring their own ideas to life or just create the first prototype of the ideas that they have in their mind. Well, in the series of videos, we will learn a lot of different tools, basic building blocks of what makes a design tool, and a lot of different primitives that Figma provides to us designers so that we can create whatever we want. It could be a social media post, it could be a logo, or it could be a full-fledged application, or it could be a presentation. Well, all of this is possible in Figma, and in this series of videos, we're gonna learn how. Well, this video series is gonna be very helpful. It will help you like a companion in learning Figma from 0 to 1. Well, talking about the structure of this course consists of two parts, again mixed together. The first one is the videos, where we'll teach you how to do things in Figma. And the second one is, it is again followed up by the video, where we ask you to create certain things so that you can yourself create something out of it, and especially learn Figma applying things that you have learned through the videos previously. So make sure that you don't press skip on the DIY projects, and that's all you need to learn the basics of Figma. I hope you have buckled up your seats because this is gonna be a very fun journey. And that's it. Bye.